Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Happy Home School online classes. Dear students, hope you all are fine at your homes. Stay safe and stay at homes. So students, today's topic is area of triangle, which has two subtopics, base and height of a triangle, and to calculate formula for area of triangle. Dear students, here I have mentioned all the vocabularies which is really helpful for you to understand the meanings of difficult words. Now students, the first topic is base and height of a triangle. So students, what is triangle? Yes, a triangle which has three sides, three angles and three vertices. Now students, to identify base and height of a triangle, let's consider a triangle. So this triangle has three vertices which I have mentioned, vertex A, vertex B and vertex C. So students, to identify the base of a triangle, first we all know that always the bottom of the triangle is the base of a triangle. So what is the bottom of the triangle? Yes, AB is the bottom of the triangle, which is the base of a triangle, which I have mentioned here. If I consider AC as a bottom of the triangle, so that will be my base of the triangle. And if I consider BC as the bottom of the triangle, so that will be my base of a triangle. But in this case, I have considered AB as the bottom of the triangle, so this will be my base of a triangle. Now, to identify height of a triangle, let's make a line starting from vertex C down to base or bottom of the triangle. A new point generates, that is D. Yes, the line is starting from vertex C till point D is known as the height of a triangle, which is this line is perpendicular to the bottom of the triangle, or this line is always perpendicular to the base of a triangle. So students, the line is starting from vertex C till vertex D is the height of a triangle. Dear students, so what is the base of a triangle? Yes, base is equal to AB. And what is the height of a triangle? Yes, height is equal to CD. And remember one thing, that always AB is perpendicular to CD, which I have already discussed with you. So hope you all know that how to identify base and height of a triangle. So students, we have another very important topic to calculate formula for area of triangle. Let's consider a rectangle here. Okay students, this rectangle has four vertices A, B, C and D. Now students, what is the length of this rectangle? Yes, BC is the length of rectangle. In the same manner, AD is also the length of rectangle. What is the breadth of this rectangle? Yes, AB is the breadth of this rectangle, and in the same manner DC is also considered as the breadth of rectangle. Dear students, we all get well aware with this that area of rectangle is always equal to length into breadth. Now students, to calculate formula for area of triangle, let's divide this rectangle into two equal parts. Okay, so after dividing this rectangle, I got two right angle triangles. The first one is ABC and the other one is ADC, which I have numbered as 1 and 2 and with the color marking as well. Okay now students, I am just considering the red one, which is ABC and the first right angle triangle. So students, what is the base of this triangle? Yes, BC is the base of this right angle triangle. And what is the height of this right angle triangle? Yes, AB is the height of this right angle triangle. Now students, to calculate formula for area of triangle, remember one thing, that area of triangle is equal to half area of rectangle. Why I have used half here? Yes, because I have divided this rectangle into two equal parts and I have just taken only half rectangle triangle, only half part of this rectangle, means the first one rectangle triangle. So that is why I have used half here. Now area of triangle is equal to half of length into breadth. Yes, we all know that area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So half of length into breadth. Now students, what we are just watching here, that length becomes base of a triangle and breadth of rectangle becomes the height of triangle. So in the same manner, I can use base and height instead of length and breadth of rectangle. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. That is how we calculate the formula for area of triangle. Students, remember one thing, that always the area of triangle measured in centimeter square and meter square, which is the unit of area of triangle. Now I hope that you all get to know about how to identify formula or to calculate formula for area of triangle. Now students, we have another slide in which we are just going to prove area of triangle by using an isosceles triangle. Let's take an example by considering a grid in which I have taken an isosceles triangle in this grid. In the next grid, which I am just supposing, in this grid, isosceles triangle is mentioned here, and I have also mentioning here a complete rectangle with the help of red marker. Yes, this red line shows a complete rectangle. Now students, if I divide this isosceles triangle into two equal parts from the upper side, from the top side, so I got an half rectangle. So students, if I cut this isosceles triangle from the upper side, so I got two equal parts, and by shifting those parts downward, so I got a half rectangle. So students, in the next grid, this is shown here that after shifting this two equal parts, two divided parts of isosceles triangle, which are divided from the upper side, from the top side, so I got a half rectangle. So students, this is the length of rectangle, which is also the base of triangle, and this is the breadth of rectangle, which is also the height of triangle. So students, this proves that area of triangle is always equal to half area of rectangle, and area of triangle is always equal to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So that is how we prove the area of triangle by using an isosceles triangle. Dear students, I hope that now you will be able to do the assignment which is already uploaded on your Google Classroom. Thank you so much from my side.